Hello, welcome to another tutorial on using some technology in the classroom. This particular app is called SMORE, and you can access it at smore.com. SMORE allows you to create newsletters, flyers, banners. Here's an example of one here, and I'll show you another in a second. And the idea here is that they have a basic design that can be used by instructors or by students. It's free. They do have a pro model or a premium model that gives you a few more bells and whistles, but it's not necessary to use the basic tool. So first you want to sign up. Again, this allows you to then save some SMORE presentations and then be able to access them later on, either to edit them or to share them. So you would want to create an account. So you would want to sign up here. I'm going to log in because I already have an account. You can log in with Facebook, like a lot of these apps. This app is both mobile-based and web-based. So that means you can use it on PCs, Macs, iOS devices, and Android devices. So that would be the smartphones and the tablets. So say that now. So I'm going to log into my SMORE account. And you can actually watch some of these things and get a tour. You can go out and search to find some additional ones. I'm going to pull up another one for you. So this is another example of a SMORE presentation or poster. And let's get rid of that. So when you're ready, you can start a new flyer. If you had a list of a whole bunch of flyers, you can get to your flyers here, or you can get to your flyers here. I'm going to start a new one by clicking on Start a New Flyer. And you have some different types here, along with backgrounds. I usually use the one for class, but you might check out some of these other ones depending on what your purpose is. And so all you have to do now is to fill in some various spots on this document. It's in a template format, so you have a title screen here. You can add some text here, and then as you move down to different spots, I better pick a title first. Okay, so I have a title. I could have a subtitle. Sometimes when I'm actually creating one, this might be Manager 10, let's see, Finance 101, Personal Finance. Helps if I could spell. Just to identify, so sometimes I'll put my name in the subtitle area there. That way, if there's a number of going to be shared by a class, you can create some specific way that you want it to be presented so that you can find it later. So now we have this. I have the ability to edit at any time. And then they have a template here kind of laid out with all kinds of things where I could add images, I can add links, I could add forms, I could add videos, could add photos, all kinds of different things. And anytime I want to use a particular area, I can do so just by clicking in this. And then I can add the text, and notice it has it set up to add an image out here to the right side. I can use these arrows to each side and move it in any direction that I want to. So instead of the image on the right side, maybe I'd like to have the image on the left side, or maybe I'd like to have no image at all, just the text. If I decide I want to use a particular area, I can just click in Edit and I get my spot to add in what I need. I can get rid of an entire area just by clicking on the X, and then it'll ask me to remove. If there's some different types, let's say I got this particular choice here and I got these three things, but that's not really what I want. I can actually click on this plus sign to get access to all kinds of other types of things that I could create instead of that image to add into this next spot here. And again, you can see those down in this particular in those particular area here. So this can be used, SMORE can be used as a graphic organizer, as an infographic, as a digital storytelling tool. Students can use it to clarify thinking, classify ideas, or form generalizations based on categorized items that they would put together. And they can also explain meaning. Can be used for Bloom's taxonomy level 3 and above, so apply and above. Probably can do some things with digital Bloom's 2 as well. So when you're all done, I can be done editing, I can do a save now. I have various designs for color patterns and languages of anything that I may want to do there. I can change my background colors. I can change fonts. I have all kinds of different things now. So I can say I'm done editing and it will save it for me. I could go back in and edit. I can preview things. I can print them if I want, but I also have this link which allows me to then share my flyer that I created. So if it's something I want to share with the students as an instructor, I copy this link, I either email to them or place it in Blackboard or on any other document that they're going to have access to. If it's a student situation, this is what the student would click on in order to grab the link and be able to send it to the instructor in an email, post it on Blackboard, or send it in whatever way has been determined by the faculty to be most appropriate. So this is just a nice, easy, short learning curve here on, pretty nice tool, pretty easy tool to build flyers, posters, banners, and that type of a thing to do some infographic work for the classroom. Thank you.